Working on Rebar alloy and metallic geometry, Russian contemporary artist Alexandra has become a real welding queen of Russia. The girl creates metal sculptures that have become popular all over the world. This is public art style, which means that Alexandra's work can be found in various places, in the streets, in a park, or a shopping center. Alexandra started working with metal in 2015. The meditating cat Tihvami in the Museum of Center of Contemporary Russian Art was her first work. Her sculptures are now presented at exhibitions and festivals in Russia, Europe, and the USA. They are all created in artist studio. The site used to be a Soviet factory for the production of rolling machines. Now it has become a weld queen castle.
Мы делали сейчас композицию «Призыв». Это 5 ангелов. Каждая фигура делает, показывает свое положение рук, да, и в конце эта группа заканчивается вот скульптурой, которая смотрит в небо, обращается в небо.
Her famous works include Ramishi the Bear, the sculpture's mother, brothers, Appeal, Dreamer, and the Eighth. The artist team is currently working on a series of sounding art objects, for example, sun drum in Murmansk and tam-tam in Crimea. And in the Moscow workshop, one can see the Metaphone. The ground floor of the castle is a workshop. The second floor is an exhibition. Here one can see photographs, sculptures, clothes, and accessories. Alexandra makes her own outfits for the presentation of her work. They are sewn from the same materials as the welding suits.
Самым первым было традиционное русское сварочное платье, вот из огнеупорного брезента тоже. В 2016 году шила во Франции. Летела туда с рулоном брезента. С 2016 года и пошли эти коллекции платьев.
Next to the exhibition space are the royal chambers, so as not to break away from creativity.
Я когда-то начинала именно с картин, то есть у меня просто приходил какой-то шквал идей, и я чувствовала, что мне надо срочно их куда-то выплеснуть. Да? Я попробовала холст масла, акрил, достаточно быстро поняла, что это не мое, то есть мне нужно работать с объемом, и тогда уже начала пробовать сварку.
In her work, the artist tries to show the problem of person's inner emancipation. Her sculptures are the result of her long hard work, and work, according to the artist, is what helps you overcome selfishness and change for the better.